Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to delete collections on Facebook. So let's get right into it. To do that, just head over to your Facebook application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the three lines icon on the upper right corner. And then there you will find the saved option right here, just beside the memories and groups. Head over there. And then there you will find your collections album that you have made earlier. So just tap on it and there will be a three dots icon on just right beside the add more option. So tap on it and then there goes the layout of deleting. Just tap on delete collection. Again tap on delete. And yeah, that collection is deleted. This is how you can do it, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video.